Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you avoid dead ends. Verify the exact device model and OS version, ensure you have a recent backup, and locate recovery email or phone access. Once done, prepare bootable media or manufacturer recovery tools. This prevents accidental lockouts while you work. Make sure you have admin or owner proof ready in case account verification is required. Now you're positioned to begin the concrete unlocking steps without losing data. You'll now perform the core reset sequence and understand why each step matters. Boot into safe mode or the recovery console to access local admin tools. This isolates the system and prevents profile corruption. Next, run the manufacturer recovery or an approved offline reset tool to clear the lock. Follow prompts precisely because wrong options can erase user data. Once you regain access, recreate or enable an admin account, reset passwords, and immediately enable two-factor authentication. You finish by securing the environment and validating the fix so the problem stays solved. Double-check every account, update passwords, and test that backups restore. This confirms no hidden corruption occurred. Revoke lingering sessions, re-enable encryption and keychains, and sync credentials to your trusted devices. If something goes wrong, document error messages, retry with alternate boot media or recovery options, and if needed, contact vendor support with proof of ownership. This speeds resolution and avoids repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.